Yes, we have seen the kit to order. Today we go through the kit to stack. Kit to stack. Kit to stack. Kit to stack. VAS is VAS order is mandatory. VAS order is mandatory for this kit to stack. We have seen in the kit to order with VAS order, without VAS order also we can go through that. Okay, we have gone through the example without VAS. If we require, just create one VAS order against the header and proceed. Just click on the VAS completion and this thing. But coming to the kit to stack, VAS order is mandatory. VAS order. How we execute this? Here two steps. One is bring the components. Bring the components to work center, come staging area. Work center, come staging area. Next one is here, second step, we prepare kit. There in work center, come staging area. Work center, come staging area. The last step is now we prepare kit means kit header is ready after completing this. This second step. Move header to bins. Here kit to stack we are not sending outside that kit header. Just we move into the bins. We move into the bins. Okay, this one. Say bring the components and we prepare the kits, and that kit we can place in bins. This is the concept of kit to stack. Okay, this thing. For this, here we are doing two process. Bring the components to work center come staging area. Outbound. Move header to bins. Inbound. Common point is work center come staging area. Common point. This one. Why staging means for this outbound delivery we require one staging. For inbound delivery also we require one staging to start our process. So we are using that work center as a staging area also. This one. Okay. This is the process. Now we see in the system. This is very simple. Just we create VAS order. That VAS order generates outbound delivery and inbound delivery. Against that outbound deliveries and inbound deliveries, we execute the picking, put away. Okay. First we execute the picking and move the products to that work center come staging area group. Then there we execute the kitting step. Once the kit is built against that inbound delivery, we move the product into storage bins. Okay, these things. Here two processes, two storage processes. First one is OBD, second one is IBD. For first one OBD, what is that? Pick plus stage. IBD, stage plus put away. Stage plus put away. This one. This is common staging step. Okay, two storage processes. We know outbound, we maintain one out of warehouse order creation rule, assign the storage process. For inbound, directly we assign the storage process in inbound delivery and this thing. Okay, now we see the configuration in the system. Go to EWM.
Keshav, I have one question.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you said, one is OBD, IBD, both process it involves in this, right? To start.
Yes, exactly.
So the OBD is just for, no, what I'm asking is, the first point it says that bring the components to work center come staging area. That
Yes.
means bring the components means from bins to staging area and work center staging area
Yes, exactly. Components. Yep. From bin.
to assemble, uh, uh, to make kit to stock.
Yes, exactly.
Not from doing that IBD goods receipt and then while doing put away you're not doing kit to stock. Not like that,
No,
right?
no, no, not like that. Say, make to stack. One concept is there in general asset, right? Say, assume that last
Yeah.
last year one company raised one purchase order for some kits to provide their employees some gift packs or whatever it may be, and they are
Okay.
orally promised that next year also we will give the purchase order. Our feedback is good luck, they said. Okay.
Okay.
Instead, I am waiting for their kit to order. What I can do, I have some bandwidth of my employees.
Yeah.
What I can do, I readily make the kits and keep in the bins. Once he raised any order, okay, that time I send those kits to that person.
Yeah. You mean to say that in EWM while to goods receipt we don't do kit to stock.
No, 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 no. We don't do. We don't do.
During put away process. During put
Correct,
away
correct,
process.
correct, correct. We don't do.
We don't do.
No.
Okay.
Purely internal. Some three racks. Assume that three racks. First and second rack components are there. One table is there. I bring the components to the table. There, I prepare kit and keep this to third rack. Bas.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now,
Right.
Sir, in a previous case, you make a bomb in a sales order. In the same way, we can make a purchase order also bomb,
no,
and we can take
no.
into
Here,
the
not the
same
bomb.
that going is fast.
Wait, we create the bomb, but production bomb or else. Bomb is not mandatory to perform the kit to stack. Anyway, we go with the bomb or without go with bomb. Both are possible.
In
And
purchase order or production, both.
nothing here. I don't have any purchase order. I don't have production. Just I
Okay,
am bringing components and preparing kits and keep there.
okay. You are taking from final F2 stock and again keeping in the F2 stock.
Yes, exactly. I am using VAS
Okay,
order
thank
for
you.
this. VAS order, not productions, not purchasing, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you, sir.
yeah. Go to IMG setup, extended warehouse management, cross processing settings. Okay, value added services. Here, define order type for VAS for kit to stock. Define order type for VAS for kit to stock. Come to here. Order type KTS for VAS order we use. Go to our warehouse. Very simple process, sir. Just bringing the products, preparing the kits, keeping in bins. This one. Okay. VAS order type KTS we are using, and description document type kit creation for stock. Order category VAS for creating kit to stock. Kit to stock. Here document type outbound to delivery. Outbound means bringing the components. OKTS. Outbound item type OKSR. Stock type is F2. Inbound keeping the kit into this one. IKTS we use. Inbound delivery item type IKSR we use. And stock type here also F2. Okay. VAS procedure is 0 VSK to determine the packaging specification. To determine the packaging specification. Okay. This thing. Next, first we create one work center come staging area group. Master data, define storage type. As of now, we did not use that role. Now we are using. I am creating one storage type. AKTS, AIPL, KTS, work center come staging area. Role is I. Work center in staging area group. Confirm put away. Put away rule is general. Confirm removal. Capacity check is not required. This one. AKTS is work center come staging area group. Now I require one bin /n /SCWM /LS01 AIPL KTS hyphen bin. Here AKTS. This one. Next one is go to work center. SPRO IMG SEM extended warehouse management. Extended warehouse management. Master data. Work center. Specific define work center. KTS. Okay. Copy it. I am creating a new work center AKTS. It to start repack. This is fine. KTS1 work center layout is there. We can check. Storage type is AKTS. I am using. External step not yet defined. We define that external step. We define that external step. Now have a look on KTS. This one work center KTS. Change it is mandatory here, and VAS relevance is mandatory. Execution of VAS. This VAS are mandatory. This is mandatory. Post component ports kits. I will show you. And change kit is mandatory. This one. These things. This. Now come to POSC. I require two warehouse process types. First, we define two storage processes. First, we define two storage processes. Cross processing setting, warehouse task, define process oriented storage control. New entries AKTS. Description APL KTS. Internal process step is VAS. VAS. See here. Stock removal and internal movement. Just have a look on here. Now, storage processes I require to have a look on here. APL storage process I use which one? AIKS. AIKS. AIPL KTS inbound. Okay, this direction is inbound. AIKS is our storage process. Come to here, new entries for inbound. Step is AKTS, first step. Second step APTY. See here, sir, have a look. For inbound, after preparing the kit, first step is KTS, means that transmission will happen there in between this thing. This is common. Next, put away. Next one is APL AOKS. APL KTS OBD. This is outbound. Come to here, new entries. What is the first step here? APIC. What is the next step here? AKTS. This one. Two storage processes are ready. I require two warehouse process types. Go to warehouse process type. Define warehouse process type. The first one is for inbound. I am creating. Inbound. Just copy this. AIKS I am using. For our easy understanding, sir, some standards also available here. Put away and this thing. For this, what is the source? AKTS, that bin staging area source. KTS bin. For inbound, this one. Storage process. AIKS. This one. AKS. Okay. AKS. Okay. Next. Outbound warehouse process type. We require one. Outbound warehouse process type. We require one. But for outbound, we use the warehouse order creation rule. Go to warehouse order. Define creation rule for warehouse order. I am using one. AKTS I am using, sir. Pick path is creation. This thing. No filters, nothing. Storage process is AOKS. Come here. Next. Define warehouse process type. Go to ours is A210 something is there. We copy that and create. AOKS. Okay. This thing. Here destination. Our kitting work center come staging area group. KTS bin. Here rule. AKTS. Now have a look on VAS relevancy. Again. Define order types for VAS for kit to stock. This one. Parallelly I am opening one more screen. SPRO. Determination of warehouse process type. Document type IKTS is there for inbound delivery. Document type IKTS. Standard is showing this one. What I am doing, I am copying it. AK kitting. Ours is AIKS warehouse process type. This one. Got it, sir? Here any doubt? If anybody asks doubt, first they need to give analysis. Why? Because this we have touched some couple of times. Any doubts? Why I used this? Process type determination control indicator. For my inbound delivery, I am triggering the document type this one. So I am triggering this inbound storage process to apply. In the product master, I have given process type determination control indicator. This thing. Next. OKTS. Outbound here. OKTS. Copy it. AOKS. Now this one. Determine warehouse process type also we maintained. Now we are using new warehouse process type. One is for inbound delivery, another one is for outbound delivery. So we need to maintain the strategies for new warehouse process types. Strategies. Go to goods received process strategies, storage type search, specify storage type search sequence. First inbound side we can maintain. AIKS. If I change this also, this one, okay. This also, this one, okay. AKS. I don't require that. Okay, only to select 6Q. No, only to here, here. Okay, this is our inbound. Next one is outbound. AOKS, that one. Hmm. This thing. We are getting some error with open warehouse task. That's why I am using LIFO. Nothing special is there. Okay. For one product, we are getting some problem. Now, almost done. We need to maintain the process type determination control indicator for header also. Why? To apply the, or else for that header it is not required. We change in process type determination control indicator. Sorry, in the determination of warehouse process type. Just to have a look on here, sir. Determine warehouse process type. Header we don't require. JKS. Okay. Just it. For items, if I want to use the same items for kit to order and kit to stock, this is required. Otherwise, not required. Why? Because for kitting, we are determining the different document types. OKTS for kitting. Now almost done. I require a packaging specification for header material. What is our header? We have a look. Slash and slash SCW header. In BOM we can see KTO or something is there. First I will create without BOM. Next with BOM I create. CS03 KTO mat. Okay, this one KTO mat. Go to packaging specification. Master data. Packaging specification. Maintain packaging specification. Remember ours is AIPL. Level set is this one. Okay, this thing. Now we need to activate one kitting relevancy for the level type. We need to activate kitting relevancy. AIPL LS. Go to level types. Just refresh our discussion. Packaging specification discussion. Go to SCM extended warehouse management, master data, packaging specification, maintain structure of packaging specification, define level set, AIPLLS. Within this levels AIL1, AIL2. AIL2 we can use. Go to here, kitting relevant. This one. Okay, kitting relevant. Same that kit to order if you want to go with VAS, right? Flag this checkbox on the day I have forgotten to tell you. Go to here. First level I don't require. Only single level we can check. 762. APL KTO KTS pack spec. Here condition procedure 0 OKS. Sorry, 0 VSK. Kit to stock. Only product. APL star KTO mat is there. It will come. Next. Content. Add product. APL KTO mat. Next, come to this level. Target quantity some 1000. Minimum quantity 1. Here, come to warehouse tab. Here, you can maintain the external step AKTS. Come to this packaging material APL cotton I am using. Okay, this thing. HU check. Activate it. Now packaging specification also ready. Now we create a VAS order. Go to work scheduling, value added services, VAS for kit creation on stock. This is the transaction. This is the transaction. VAS underscore KTS. Okay, this one. This one. Kit to stock. This one. Okay. Go to create. Create with BOM or create without BOM. Ours is without BOM. Click on here. Order type. Go to VAS relevancy. Get the order type. KTS. KTS. Product. JPL underscore or we can check. KTO mat. Each this thing. And the packaging specification we have forgotten. We get it. /n /SCWM /pack spec. This one 762. Here 762. Products here. See here, this screen just like our BOM. Mat one quantity each. If we have BOM in ECC system, no need to enter here. That example also I will show you. Each enter. This one. VAS order. If we see header, not yet saved this one. Okay. I am saving. See here. I am saving, sir. Saved. 630 is VAS order. One warehouse request is created at header level. This is for inbound delivery. And here another warehouse document is created. This is for outbound deliveries. I will show you. 19006. This is outbound delivery order. Go to extended warehouse management, delivery processing, outbound delivery, maintain outbound delivery order.
Okay, so I have one question here.
Yeah.
Once we create the order and save, then one is for header material, it creates IPD. For BOM components, it creates OBD, right?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. See here. 1006 outbound delivery order for components.
Yeah.
I
For
will
components.
show you inbound delivery also. Go to extended warehouse management, delivery process, inbound delivery. This one. Which one we can check? Go to that. This one. This one. 19007. Warehouse request. This one.
So here to create both IBDs and OBDs, first we need to create. We need to start with VAS order, right?
Yes, exactly. VAS is mandatory.
VAS.
Ah. Now, I will show you the document types. We have maintained some warehouse process types on our document types, right? I am showing that. We are in inbound delivery. Go to here. IKTS. See here. Item type. See here. Ours is triggered AIKS. IK. Yes, sir. Okay. This thing. Come to OVD. This one. OKTS. AOKs. Our warehouse process type is triggered. See here. This is destination. for that one. Okay, this one. Now we proceed with outbound delivery first. Outbound delivery first. Why? To bring the components, these components to our work center come staging area. One small thing we have missed out. One small thing. In the work center, we have forgotten to maintain the external step.
External step means assigning staging area.
No. In the work center, we have external step we have maintained. Forgotten. I will show you.
Okay.
Define work center. This one. And one more step also we have forgotten. Master data work center. Now come to VAS order. If we see within the VAS order, no work center determined. I will show you. Yeah, work center determined. From that this one. Okay, not a problem. From packaging specification, it is determined AKTS and work center indirectly. Not a problem. Now we start with outbound delivery. Follow on functions, warehouse task. Normal. Process type AO KS. Okay, this thing. First, check the accuracy. That is there. This is there. HUs are there. Okay. Now,
Sir, in this also HUs are mandatory, sir?
it's a
Not
POSC,
like
right? POSC, right?
okay, okay.
Yeah. POSC, sir. Two POSCs here we are using.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Yeah. Wait, it is taking some time. What happened to here? Warehouse tasks are created. Go to warehouse order. See here, hours is created and etc. Go to Pikachu. Pack material cotton. It is going to KTS bin. 2 all zeros 141. All this you can execute in your system, sir, and make documentation yourselves. You will get a good confidence on this. Okay. Now KTS bin. This is VAS execution. Go to execution, VAS execution. AKTS, A to D. This is the work center, this is the bin. Okay. First go to post components in work center. Post components. This one. Select one sec. Post components. Click on the post components. We can check, sir. No item was selected. Okay. One sec. Post component button. Yeah, post HU here. Work center. I'm posting means I am keeping the products in work center. This one will. Once we do that, this will go. Okay. Next, post kits. I am preparing the kits. No, kit means pack. I need to get one sec. Pack. Yeah. Pack. Here it is appearing. Now I am using carton box and packing this one. This header product. Save. This one. Next, come back. 142 here. Now post kit. Post HU. Now it is available in bin. Next, click on here. Complete VAS. Double click on here. HU step not yet completed. Complete. Save. Okay. Now this step is completed. If you go to the inbound delivery, one warehouse task is opened. One warehouse task is opened. Go to inbound delivery. See here, goods receipt is completed. Display warehouse tasks. There are no warehouse tasks for selection. One sec. Warehouse activity partially completed. One sec. 19007. Go to monitor. 19007. No objects. Why? We can check. Go to SMQ2. Some problem. Storage type search problem is coming. Source is okay. Storage type search. No entry found. This is the error. Storage type search. Okay. What we can do? Manually we can do for this example. Manually. Unprocessed queue still exists. Queue block is there. Delete it. Storage type search. What is the error? Source bin is KTS bin is determined. Storage type search sequence not determined. Can anybody guess? This is for your test. Don't feel bad. Can anybody guess? I require inputs, please. Almost 80% of the course completed. Don't think otherwise. I require answer. What we did here? Why it is coming error?
Is that related to stock, sir? Header material stock is not available.
Sir, I require answer, sir, not analysis. Why the storage type? This error storage type search sequence. No entry found. It is coming. I require exact answer, sir. Say, for example, you are working in support project. This ticket came, high priority. What should you do? What is the line representing here? Just guess, sir. Nothing wrong in that. Yeah, just guess. Okay, can I take the chance?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say, header material, I did not maintain any put away control indicators. But in the strategies,
Yes.
put away control indicators are there. That's why even that template also not coming. Storage type search sequence. Okay, this one. I will do something. Template is not coming means put away control indicator problem. Template is coming and it's not working means we need to check further. Any capacity checks are there or else any not suitable bins are there and etc. Got it, sir? Please don't think otherwise. Just asking questions, sir. Practice, sir. If we practice, nothing, there is no rocket science here. Somebody is developed some system. We are fools like we are working on that. We are not inventing nothing here. Okay? Yeah. This is not our software. If we develop some software, that is fine. Sir. Okay. Now it will work, sir. See here, it is working now. Create plus save, sir. Keep that to all zeros 142 in the bin. Okay, kit is ready, kept in bin. Okay, sir. This one, yeah. Tomorrow I will show you the with bomb. Okay, in ECC we create one production bomb. Production bomb is required for this one. Okay, tomorrow we repeat this exercise again. There definitely there will be a confusion post components, post HU and this thing. If we use the RF device, that's very easy. Okay, just click on that warehouse order steps and etc etc. Okay, that we can check, sir. Okay, okay, sir. Thank you for attending session. Have a nice day. Tomorrow we will check.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.